In today's fast-paced world, burnout is an all-too-familiar companion for those pursuing ambitious goals. But what if AI could be the key to conquering exhaustion? Imagine a personal assistant that analyzes your work habits and suggests optimal breaks to recharge. AI-powered apps do just that by recommending personalized routines to balance rest and productivity. The technology tracks stress levels, providing real-time feedback to prevent burnout before it occurs. By integrating AI into daily life, individuals can maintain their ambition while safeguarding their well-being. Ultimately, AI offers a modern solution, a pathway to achieving dreams without sacrificing health in the relentless pursuit of success.